Hi guys, I'm Mr. Mike. In this video we're going to look at how we talk about things in the future. Module 3. 3b, and in particular we'll be looking at grammar structures using be going to, will, the present simple, present continuous for a future meaning. So let's go down here and have a look at a few examples. So we use be going to make predictions based on what we see, evidence, what we know. For instance,
look out! You're going to spill the coffee.
Oh no, look at her. You can see her that she's going to spill the coffee, right? Yeah, so there's evidence. We can see that that's happening. Be going to talk about future plans and intentions. Well, look at these guys. They're all going to study at the same university next year, aren't they? We don't know that, but, we can tell probably from their faces. So it's like a 95% chance that they're all going to study since they're talking about it, which is good. Make sure you look at these time expressions because, judging from time expressions, you can actually predict what kind of a tense it's actually you need to use. So where do we use the future simple? We use the future simple for on-the-spot decisions. Look at this guy. He's saying,
I'm tired of studying. I'll go and play a video game.
Yeah, so I'm thirsty. I'll drink some water. Oh, this looks nice. I'll buy this. So on the spot. Okay, present simple with the future meaning is mostly used with timetables. Yeah, the next class starts at 11 o'clock. Watch out, because you can't say their class is starting at 11 o'clock. You could say about the girl is starting class at 11 o'clock, but the class starts at 11 o'clock. Great. Okay, moving on to future simple using will for predictions based on what we think or believe. I hope people will do their homework. I believe you will watch this video. I think you will complete a summary of what you're watching. Yep. We also use the future simple for promises, threats, warnings, hopes, and offers. Use my laptop again and I'll tell Mum. I promise I will not allow you to go out tonight if you keep on doing that. I will not allow you to go out tonight with a warning or a threat. I hope you will do your homework. So there's a couple of examples there. Don't know if that helps, but anyway. And using the present continuous. Great, using the present continuous with the future meaning. I think it's more basically for fixed arrangements. I'm having a party on Saturday. Would you like to come? Well, that's pretty cool. But I would have preferred, I'm going to have a party on Saturday. Would you like to come? I suppose the difference there is like I'm having a party. It's more formal. I'm not sure. I think it's like a 90% chance. The same, depending on how you look at it. Anyway, if you want more information, I suggest going into the grammar reference at the back of the book. We form a future simple sentence using the auxiliary verb or modal verb will by having a subject plus the verb will. Place the main verb in the bare infinitive. I will run, you will run, he will run, etc. Also we have will you run? Short answers, yes I will, no I won't. Make sure you look at the time expressions. Going down, the be going to, then it shows us the present simple and the present continuous. I just want to show you some notes here where it says we don't use the auxiliary verb will with time expressions like when, while, before, until, by the time, because it gives it a future meaning anyway, like when you see Ben, not when you will see Ben, because when is future meaning anyway. So when you see Ben, ask him about tonight's meeting. Go over it, have a look at it, make some notes. Why not draw them as a sketch note and bring them into class, and we'll talk about it more there, where we'll get you producing and practicing and having all sorts of fun. Yay! Bye!